Hi guys, just an update. It's 12:28 p.m. and dito kami sa hotel pa. Naghihintay lang kami ng next na biyahe ng shuttle bus. So pupunta na kami ng airport diretso. We're just waiting. Colleagues, here's colleagues. Wala sa mood. Okay. I'll update you later. Hey guys, so andito na kami ngayon sa shuttle bus papuntang airport, and kami lang yung nandito, same as last night. Hey guys, time check. It's already 1:09 p.m. and kararating lang namin dito sa airport. So, dito yung Philippine Airlines, and then I think mamaya pa siya mag-change kasi maaga pa. Parang last flight kasi alas 10 pa yung flight namin. Siguro isa sa mga dyan mag-change siya. So, andito lang kami guys sa may gilid. Dito lang kami maghihintay. Medyo mahaba-habang paghihintay. Pero like 4 hours naman before the flight, pwede na. So, mga bandang 5 p.m, pwede na kaming mag-check-in. So, yun guys, yun lang muna yung update. And I'll see you again later. Bababa muna kami guys. Mag-iikot-ikot. Kaya namin kung anong meron dito, kung may makakainan ba. Vending machine lang, restroom. Wala yung international arrival. That's it. Ay, may ano doon. Kasi yeah. Let's see what's here. Oh, look at that. I know. There's macaroons, black milk tea. Oh, here. Oh, there's the Hello Kitty drinks.
Wow, it's so cute.
I like this one.
It's cute.
Oh, maybe they're gonna. Okay, later. We can come back later. Let's go.
Okay.
Ano ba rito? Tingnan natin kung ano nandito.
Ano lang,
Exit. Ang ganda nitong camera guys. Alam nyo dito sa in person, parang ang dilim na nitong part na nito dito. Pero sa camera. Baggage claim lang dito. Yeah, baggage claim. Yan, baggage claim lang. Alam ko meron itong Starbucks eh. Ayun yung Starbucks na binila natin. Diba yun yun? Starbucks ba yun? Let's see. Starbucks. Ewan kong Starbucks yan. May Starbucks dito guys. Tapos dun sa kabila, meron din Urban Market. Okay guys, we're gonna buy here. And then what's next?
we wait.
Quincy.
Oh, so cute.
Another one.
It's so cute. Cute.
Next. Please wait. so cute.
Ike?
Wait. What's next?
All the way up. Aw, that's it.
Yay!
Yay! Yay!
Okay, let's take a picture there. Look at this, guys. So, ito yung lagayan ng macarons. Tapos, ito para siyang tin can na meron ditong instant opener. Ang cute! Ayan o, may ganyan pang, siya, sticker ata to eh.
Yummy!
Ha? Is it yummy? Yeah. Tapos, ayun, masarap din daw yun. Hindi ako nakatikim kasi, ayoko magtanggal ng Invisalign ko. So, ayan. We can keep this para sa inumina namin.
My new water bottle.
And guys, even yung sandwich, meron din siyang ganitong ang cute. Kaya lang mahal. So yung macaron is like $17.99. So that's $18. Oh my gosh. Tapos yung, how much was the, parang $8. Yung milk tea is $7.99. $7.99.
Yeah,
And then
the other one was like, I like the machine. It's so cute. I think it's $6. $6?
yeah, Calix likes the vending machine because it's so cute. Time check, guys. It's 3:49 p.m. So, hindi namin alam kung anong oras kami mag-start na mag-check-in. Pero sabi sa amin, mga bandang 6 ata or 7. Oh my gosh. Ang tagal pa namin maghihintay. So, ayun guys. So, yun lang muna yung update ngayon.
Yeah, it's actually a
Class, si Calix sleeping na.
time to move.
Picture taken, please speak to an airline representative before the boarding process begins. When boarding, please lower.
Finally guys, boarding na. It's already 10:07 p.m. and 10:35 yung alis namin. Pero mukhang malilate kasi ewan ko ang daming waiting na nangyari. So, this is the menu for today. And the drinks. Wow, meron pa freebie sa mga bata. a bag tag.
Backpack. No, this one's like color.
Here, you can put this on your bag. Oh. Hey guys, time check is 10:30 p.m. and nandito na kami sa loob ng eroplano. So, si Calix katabi ko, si Daddy ayun sa kabila.
Are we in the different airplane? Are we in the different airplane?
Yes!
Then what color is it?
What color is it? I don't know. What color is it? It's blue or purple? And I have Quincy and then si Mami. So, ayan. Ito kami lahat. Say hi! Hi! So, andito kami sa nakaupo sa gitna. Yan. Ito. Nandito kami sa gitna. Tapos doon. Dito sa kabila. And then, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga bigay nila. Philippine Airlines na purple na blanket. And then, meron ding headset. Dito, merong screen.
Fare 125 bound for Manila. Passengers bound for other destination, please report your time.
So, ayan guys. Medyo maluwag naman. Okay naman. Oh, ito yung remote.
Mabuhay. Welcome on board this Philippine Airlines flight. Smoking in the airplane is strictly prohibited.
Okay, andito na yung foods ni Calix. So, meron siyang orange juice. And then, meron siyang bread. And then, may carrot cake. I think this is a carrot cake.
Can I?
Is it a carrot cake? And then, meron siyang salad.
Wait, what did I got?
Yeah. Okay, open that one up.
What is it?
Meron siyang butter.
What is it? Five. I can't wait to open it. And fork? Yeah.
Pork.
Oh, I also need a spoon.
Spoon.
And
Careful.
spoon.
Spoon. And then, tissue, napkin. There's toothpick.
What's that?
Toothpick. And then,
A knife.
knife. Turbulence.
Oh no, my aunt's juice is shaking.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are experiencing an area of turbulence. Please turn your seats and fasten your seatbelt securely. Please observe the seatbelt sign.
Wow. Okay, you can try. But it's hot, huh? You want to, okay.
It's shaking. It's so shaky.
Okay.
I hope it doesn't spill.
it? It's good? Cute naman. Cute.
That one's plastic.
Plastic lang to. Pwede bang mauwi to? At ate, tilapia.
Yummy. I like that cake. It's so tiny. Right, Mommy?
Hey guys, just an update. Kakagising ko lang. Seattle time is 5:25 a.m. and nakaka 6 hours pa lang yung flight namin. So, kalahati pa. Ito yung map. So, andito na kami. Binigay sa amin yung Oreo and then nag-water lang ako. Tapos, meron kaming chicken empanada here. Here's Calix, si Daddy. Here's Quincy and Mommy. So, yun guys. Buksan natin yung empanada. Bread, Calix. Ayaw niya. Gusto niya lang yung Oreo. Nakatulog din si Calix eh. Di ba open nga? Okay. Okay, kain muna kami guys. And update ulit later. Hey guys. Time check. Is 10:52 a.m. Seattle time and nag-breakfast na kami. Ito yung food na in-offer nila. Parang shrimp with sarchado sauce. Tapos ayan, malapit na kami. I think it's almost 1.5 hour na lang. So, tignan natin dito sa ating flight details. Ayan. So, ito yung estimated time of arrival na 4:27 a.m. And ang time na ngayon sa Pilipinas ay 2:53 a.m. So, malapit na. Okay guys, so that's the update. I will see you again later. We're here. Time check 12:02 the afternoon Seattle time. Yay!
Ladies and gentlemen, please be advised that the Philippine government.
We just landed.
Ooh,
They were here.
oh yeah. I like the airplane.
We're here, guys. Thank you, Lord.
Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. Local time is 20 minutes for 2024. The ground temperature is 26 degrees Celsius or 78.8 degrees Fahrenheit.
Palabas na kami. Ito yung business class nila. Hindi pala siya yung cubicle. Ganito lang. We're here guys sa airport. Dito na kami. Doon kay daddy naman. Naulan ngayon guys. It's already, ay, hindi Hindi pa nag-update yung ano ko. Wala kasing internet. Pero naulan. Anong oras na ba? 4 something, no? Very nice. Ganda ng airport dito, guys. Ito muna kami sa immigration. Okay, bye-bye na ulit. Later na lang. Bukas?
Ano ba yan?
Oo, sa atin yan. Kay Quincy. Ayan. Di ano na, ano. Oo. Ay, hindi yan sa atin. May pangalan niya sa atin.
Diyan muna natin.
Yan. Yun na lahat guys ng ano namin.